Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make dark roux. To begin, gather your ingredients, equal parts fat and flour. A good starting point is 1/2 cup of oil and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Use a heavy-bottomed pot, like a Dutch oven, to ensure even heat distribution. This foundational step is crucial for a successful dark roux. Once your fat is heated, whisk in the flour to create a smooth paste. Maintain a consistent medium-low heat. You'll notice the roux gradually change color, moving from a light blonde to the shade of peanut butter, then copper, and finally a rich dark chocolate. Patience is key during this transformation. For best results, use a whisk or a flat-bottomed wooden spoon to ensure you scrape all areas of the pot. Keep the heat steady and moderate. Too high, and it will burn. Continue cooking until your roux reaches a deep, dark chocolate color. As soon as it hits that perfect shade, remove it from the heat to prevent overcooking. One of the biggest mistakes is stopping the stirring. A dark roux can burn in seconds. Also, avoid using butter for dark roux, as its milk solids can burn and create a bitter taste. When incorporating your finished roux, ensure either the roux or the liquid is cold to prevent clumping. This rich, dark roux is perfect for thickening gumbos and hearty stews.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.